National Geographic Science. Life in a Garden by Mary Claire Goller. Science vocabulary. Life cycle. A life cycle is the way living things grow, changes, makes more living things like itself. Germinate. When seeds germinate, they begin to grow. Seedling. A seedling is a young plant. Amphibian. An amphibian starts its life in water and moves to land. Fish. Fish lives in the water and has gills. Bird. A bird has feathers. Insects. An insect has 3 parts of its legs. Mammal. A mammal is born live. Reptile. A reptile has scaly skin. Extinct. An living thing becomes extinct when no members of its group are alive. My science vocabulary. Amphibian, birds. Extinct, fish. Germinate, insect. Life cycle, mammal. Reptile, seedling. Plants in a garden. Many kinds of plants grow in a California garden. Red clover is a flowering plant that often grows in a garden. Like all plants, it has a life cycle. It grows and changes. A red clover plant begins its life cycle as a seed. When the seed germinates, it begins to grow. It grows a tiny stem. The tiny plant continues to grow. Its leaves and stems get bigger. Then it becomes a seedling. This seedling continues to grow. A bloom from. Each bloom has many flowers. Each flower holds a seed. When the bloom turns brown, the seed falls out and can germinate. As a young plant grows, more of its flowers will open. A red clove life cycle. A seed needs water and sunlight to germinate. Sprout. Sprout breaks out from seed. A seedling has a short stem and 2 or more small leaves. An adult plant has 1 bright round bloom with many small flowers. Animals in a garden. Animals in California garden grow and change too. Some young animals, such as rabbits, look like their parents. Rabbits are mammals. Their young are born live. Birds hatch from eggs. Baby birds or chicks do not always look exactly like their parents. How does this chick look different from the parent? American robin, adult, chick. Some reptiles, such as snakes, also begin their life cycle in the garden. Most snakes hatch from eggs. Most amphibians do too. Most fish also hatch from eggs. Fish are animals. Some fish can live in garden ponds.